Kublai fi baro ni pedang subhai pi cekatup kubor mentaka jan miet cuban pai kubor kebunyak ini pech wai kimat berkongsan. Kentu umudi ki samla berpendep ki jing kuliah aga kai peteng ban kentiu bat wat kilat dan penyar ki kam kai berit. Ai jengkan ulat kejela kejeng daki Nehru University dia banjur halor kejeng don kam ban pelek jengmut aga kuliah putih. Dan benar ke embus yang result HSSLC harga nak kuliah Science but Commerce. Berai jengmut ke Independent Inquiry Committee yang kesoka bentung ya CMD berpura nak bentar ke MEECL. Ikubor ke berpunya. Menteri Rang Ba'du Ukari Narendra Modi ula kentu ya ke Indian School of Business kumjo igi samla pulie bala pendep igi jing pulie haga kai peteng ban kentiu batwat kilat kilenti ban penyar igi kam kai berit kenang ban kenjo ya ke thong jong ka Atma Nirbhar Bharat. Aba ai jingkran ha ka jingelang graduation ceremony ha ISB Hyderabad Menteri Rang Ba'du Ukari ula kentu igi samla bala pendep igi jing pulie haga kai peteng ban penyeso lang ya ki jing pos new jong ki bat jong kari khamtam haba kari kadang prut dak ya ke lendong themai ha ke liang ke roi ke par jong ke yok ke kon ula ong ba ka jing kentiu ya ki kam la jong ki berit kemut ke jing kentiu ya ki kelurngut ki breu bat kari berok ke wei ula kenturu ya ki ban penyeso bat ki kor ke juksta teknologi bat ong bagi samla na ki jaka puli kum ke ISB ki la long ke benta ke berkongsan habe dei bat kani ke benta. Ka skul ba North Eastern Hill University mentaga sngi ke ladakhe ke jindap sapukundai snem jongka. Aba ai jingkran ha ke jingelang ulat ke jela Meghalaya u Satyapal Malik ula ong ba ke puli puti ke long ke bedon kam hadu kata-kata namar ba omdon ke balak ban penkup bor ya ubreu nalor ke puli puti. Ula kentu ya iwei pa iwei ban shim ya ke benta ke berkongsan ban kentiu ya ke puli puti ha ke ri bat maham persyaru halo ke dukom trekam ki bala bampong ya ke ni ketenat. Ulat ula IT ru ika khusnam chik samla ya lekai jong kini ke skul ba ke bala wanra burom hagi jing lekai sports jong kari.
एजुकेशन को तवज्जो देनी चाहिए वो आज नहीं दुनिया में उन्हीं कौमों ने तरक्की की है जिन्होंने एजुकेशन को तवज्जो दी है एजुकेशन इसलिए जरूरी है कि इंसान का एम्पावरमेंट एजुकेशन से ज्यादा कोई चीज नहीं करती ना रुपया ना पैसा ना दौलत कोई चीज इंसान का उतना एम्पावरमेंट नहीं करती जितना एजुकेशन करती है
Ka Meghalaya Board of School Education lane embos nega sngi kala penbenai ke result jong ke examine high secondary school leaving certificate lane HSSLC ahajar apuar hakatanat pulia science but commerce Ugyanish Roy Bhomik na Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School Shillong ulawan hakakerdan baningkong hakatanat pulia science but ulayo sauspa ndru pukandai mark Katba Karia Harparan na St. Anthony's kelawan haga kerdan beningkong haga tenat pulia commerce magalayo sauspa nrupusau mak. Ka Laban Bengali Boys High Secondary School Shillong bat ka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong kelawan syakmat haga examine HSSLC. Abapai haga tenat pulia science bat commerce ka jingdon jong ki bapas haga tenat pulia science kalong nyophuai point nriu ar na kashispa katba haga commerce kalong prapulai point nriu lai na kashispa.
Teachers of this institution were really helpful to me during the online, during the COVID time also, and even when the offline classes started, they helped me throughout this 2 years. Whenever I had a doubt, I asked them, they cleared it out, and yeah, they were really helpful.
My parents have played the most important role. First of all, without them, I wouldn't have been here first. So I'm very much grateful to them. There were moments, there were times, days where when I did not feel like studying, I was maybe a bit depressed. I'll not say depressed, I'll say sad, maybe because I could not perform well in my tests or my examination, or maybe I was not prepared well, my course were not completed. But they were the ones who kept pushing me, they kept encouraging me.
Ka komiti jong ka kenhuan tokit belait luot ke laken tu jore ke soka jela bantung no da chairman com managing director lani CMD Bapura hagatanat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited lani MEECL. Umintu rangba ka jelau konrat ki sangma nen ke sngiu la pentip ba komiti ke la banjur lo ka jing don kam bandon da unong elam Bapura. Aba penpau bagi rukom trekam batung ya CMD Shillong ki bala kamrim bat kim trekam shu ulaong bagi komiti kala ai jingmut badon kam ban khmi biang bat banwan rapat da rukom trekam ke bethamai ulaong ru bagi tanat kadang bishar halor kini ki benta.
Political department is going through it. So therefore, once we go through it, then we'll take it forward. The findings basically are on the line that there needs to be the procurement policies that were there are very, very obsolete, very, very old, and therefore there needs to be a process in which this needs to be reviewed and new systems have to come up. It also mentioned about the fact that even from an administrative point of view, there needs to be more focused and more full-time leadership there, and therefore they have submitted that there should be a full-time MD or a full-time CEO that should take forward, and the departments are examining all those aspects.
Menteri Ketenat PHE iba Renekton Lingdo ila pentip baya ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme on sependep no mentau senam. Kini ke projek kelayo pliang syuk-syuk ikilat jengerak pisah hadian bagasoka jela dang shen ke lambang sakomba enril pusan kelur tingka na kebentaban pentikna bakani ke projek kan dep hagapor ke bebiang. Lakimi lenti bagi Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3 kan lak ban penbiang ya ki jingdon kam bam kiba ki nong shong snong ha Shillong ki kendu jing e. Aga bersedang ke projek labuk ban pendep ha ubenai jeliau mentau senem. Ya ke projek la menjur da kesoka pedeng haga jinglut ke basis pak kendai pulai poin san pau kulur tingka ha ubenai risau jong usnam ahaja pra bat labuk ban pendep ha ubenai jemang usnam ahaja katwei. Ka jing temu jong ke projek ke long ban penpoi sha ki pai nong shong snong ha ki jakasor bat kapsor. Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekhia ke Jelau James Sangma mentaka sengiu la play ke Biological Waste Management System ha Shillong Civil Hospital. Menteri la play ru ya ka Geriatric Ward ke badon shipotli ke jing tia bat ke PSA Oxygen Generation Plan. Aba ai jing kran ha ke sengiu menteri la penpau ba sokar ke angnut ban kentiu ke rukom ai jing sumar daga ba pentikna ba jing sumar kan long ke bapaka. Ujiam sangma ulaong baka Meghalaya kaya syaprang bat pai kam kemat syaki kena bat balasan harta. Hakani kesengi lawan bayan shimbenta daki hiak soka bat kinong tray jong ke hospital.
Meghalaya as a state is extremely self-sufficient when it comes to oxygen supply in our medical facilities. And this plant is being inaugurated. It's just a formality. It has started functioning a long time back and it has been functioning very successfully. And kudos to the medical staff, the surgeon superintendent of the hospital, along with all the other supporting doctors and the staff.
Ka jingelang jong ko All India Poiters Conference kelas sedang mentagasngi hatura ya kene ke program balai singi la pelong da ko All India Poiters Conference lani AIPC haga jinga trelang bat ke Department of Garo Nehu Tura ka Achek Literature Society bat ka Sahitya Academy Society Delhi. Ya kene ke jingelang la plia da UMLA ke Not Tura u Thomas E Sangma ba u Chief Advisor jong u Menteri rang ba ke Jala Meghalaya ke Kamram jong ke AIPC ke Long ban kentiu ya ke jing tho poetry bat ke tho katar ban penkup bori kentai ban pelat luj ya ki na ki babun ki jing sha te sha khum ki bala sensyar hakari India na duk ki por handai kinong tho poetry na keleng ki benta jong kari India kum na Karnataka Gujarat Assam bat Meghalaya ki le shim benta hakani ke jingelang la ban kedau bai ki AIPC la shem da u Dr. Lari Azad ha ka Laipotrik ubnai yayong jong snam ahajar ha Khurja Uttar Pradesh. Mentapat ini pej ya kajing long jemang kesim dengan Shillong. Kajing shit kelong apusau point kenai degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kelong katsan point kenai degree Celsius. Kajing skam gau hau kelong nyau penriu nisi spa men step bat nyau pulai nisi spa jan miet. Kelak bandon kajing hap slap haki babun ki jaka. Sa sisian pat ngipen kenmau ya pi bekan nika kubor jongi pilar ban pej live haka YouTube channel jong ka Didi News Shillong. Shaban poisek bakut jong tuk kubon ye pek biang sa ASEAN ni kini kimat bakong san. Kentu umodi ye ki samla berpendap ye jing pulih ha kayi peteng ban kentiau bat wat ikilat ban penyar di kam kayi berit. Ai jengkan ulat kejela ha kejeng dakhie Nehu University dia banjur lo kejeng don kam ban pelet jingmut ha ke pulih putih. Benar ke embos ya ke result HSSLC ha ke nak pulih science but commerce. Mat ai jumut ke Independent Inquiry Committee ya ke soka bantung ya UCMD berkurang ke bentar ke MEECM. Tepa lok katung la poi sebekut jong tuk kubo jing mentaga janmiet hadu na syamit pila syai kesini haga juk kepo kubde shibuni pi baro.
When will we reach it?
In a few moments.
Please tell me, when will it reach?
I just told you so. We have reached the well. See, we reached the water well.
It's not about we reaching the well. When will water reach our home through taps?
Through taps?
Very soon, Goody. You see, the Jal Jeevan mission has already begun. If we shall take a step, the government will take a leap.
Really?